Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've got a limited edition unboxing to share with you, and it's Look Fantastic and PAI. And this is what it looks like. So inside this box contains 6 PAI beauty products. Cost of the box is £40 for monthly subscription box subscribers, or it's £45 for non-subscribers. If you're interested in this box and you are a subscriber, then you would have received your exclusive discount in an email. If you can't find it, then I'd suggest getting in contact with Look Fantastic and hopefully something can be arranged that way. If you're interested in taking out a subscription and you fancy having this box as well for £40, there's a code you can use to have the £5 off, which is PAIBB. I'll pop all links and all codes and everything down in my description, so underneath this video, see show more, click that. That'll bring up the description and all information and details will be listed down there. So yeah, so there's 6 products inside and it has a total value of around £125. So looking at the description on the website, it says achieve calm and confident skin throughout these colder months with the help of our exclusive Look Fantastic X PAI limited edition beauty box. Cruelty free and vegan, specially curated to suit those with even the most sensitive of skins, from a brand focus on helping you feel good about your skin. So let's open it up and show you what you get inside. So inside your box you get a little leaflet, and in here details everything about the product, so I'll be referring to this as we go along. This is what it looks like there. Woo! So the first item is a Rosehip Bioregenerate Oil, and apparently this is like one of their most famous skincare products that they have. It's supposed to brighten, it's supposed to help firm and improves elasticity, and it's also good at clearing skins or making skin a lot clearer. This is what it looks like in here. So we've got 10ml bottle here. Looks like there. It says here, its power comes from the super concentration of antioxidants thanks to the unique blend of rosehip fruit and seed oil. This is for everyone, especially if your skin needs a boost or you have sensitive blemish or eczema prone skin. And it says apply 2 to 3 drops to your hand and use fingertips to gently massage into clean, slightly damp skin on face and body. So that's the first item there, and this size is worth £15. So next product is a Chamomile and Rosehip Carmen Day Cream. We've got 50ml here. So it says here for redness and hypersensitive skin. It says instant calm. I love the packaging, really, really pretty. Let's try a little bit on my hand. Just a nice fresh sort of scent, really, really nice. It's almost like got peppermint in it, I think. Not too sure, very, very subtle, but no, that feels lovely, really nice. So let's see what the extra information says. Powered by organic chamomile extract, this cooling, redness reducing formula leaves skin looking refreshed and feeling reliably calm. This is for you if redness and reactivity are a daily struggle or your skin needs moisture without feeling overloaded. And it says massage 1 to 2 pumps into clean dry skin on face and neck, use daily in the mornings or whenever your skin needs a moisture top up. There's that, and it's worth £38. Next we've got a very heavy, it's Lightwork Rosehip Cleansing Oil, and it's 145ml here. So that's what it looks like there, bright orange. It says here, it makes light work of heavy makeup. The sensitive skin formula lifts off everything without irritation or sting in your eyes. Melt into a light milk with a little water. It rinses away to leave skin looking radiant in a way only Rosehip can. This is for everyone, especially those with sensitive skin and want effortless makeup removal. And it says how to apply. Apply 2 to 3 pumps to dry skin, massage face, eyes and along the lash line to dissolve makeup and daily build-up. Add a few drops of water to create a light milk, then rinse thoroughly with water to remove, and this cleansing oil is worth £36. Next we got an Echium and Argan gentle eye cream, and this is 15ml. And it says here for dry and delicate skin. It says in the booklet that this soothes and smooths sore eyes in an instant. The eye area often reacts first and worst as the delicate skin there is much thinner. This light non-greasy formula leaves skin feeling calm and hydrated, never dry or flaky. Plus Echium is nature's very own secret weapon that helps to improve the appearance of fine lines for that extra smooth finish. Gently pat on 1 pump of cream along the orbital bone and under eye area using your ring finger. So there's that, and that is worth £32. Next we've got a little mini, and this is a Copaiba, if I've said that right, Copaiba, and this is a deep cleanse AHA mask, and this is for perfect balance, and we have 10ml. So it looks like there. So it says the magic of this mask is its ability to remove dull, dead skin cells without tingling, pulling or burning. Copaiba's antibacterial properties help to clear skin and improve the appearance of existing blemishes. The gentle clay-based decongest skin without dryness or tightness, clarifying and brightening your complexion in just 10 minutes. And then it says apply a generous layer to clean dry skin, leave for 8 to 10 minutes, then rinse with a muslin cloth and warm water. And this mask is worth £4 at this size. And lastly, we've got another mini, and this is a Kukai and Jojoba bead skin. Oh, I'm not saying these words right, am I? Brightening exfoliator, and this again is 10 mils. So it's a brightening exfoliator. It says here, if you're not exfoliating, you're actually applying skin products to dead skin cells. Removing these cells reveals a smoother surface and allows the rest of your products to sink in and get to work. Full of perfectly spherical wax jojoba beads, this conditioning exfoliator rolls over the skin to remove surface buildup without the slightest sign of irritation. Apply to clean dry skin with dry hands, add water to turn the gel into a silky milk. Rinse with warm water until all products are removed. And this exfoliator at this size is worth £4. So those are all the products, so I'll just show you all in a recap. So we've got a Lightwork Rosehip Cleansing Oil. We got a Chamomile and Rosehip Carmen Day Cream. We got a Echium and Argan Gentle Eye Cream. We got a Rosehip Bioregenerate Oil. We've got a Copaiba Deep Cleanse AHA Mask. And we've got a Brightening Exfoliator. So as I said at the start, the cost of the box is £40 or £45 if you're a non-subscriber to the monthly subscription box, and the value of this box comes to around £125. I forgot to say at the very start that this box was kindly gifted to me in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. I'm very grateful to Look Fantastic for sending me these boxes. This particular one is very exciting because I haven't tried hardly any of PAI products before. I don't think I have tried anything, in all honesty. I'm not too sure, so I'm looking forward to trying the cleanser, definitely, and yeah, the cream, it feels nice on my hands. So yeah, and that oil, apparently it's like one of the best products in the whole range, so it is a really lovely box. If you're really into your skincare, if you've got sensitive skins, you're looking for cooling products, you're looking for cruelty free and vegan products, and you're looking for brightening and to combat fine lines, then I definitely think it's worth checking this box out. I'll pop links down below if you want to know more. But yeah, as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? What do you think of this brand? Is there anything that you can tell me about this brand? Or is there any products that aren't in this box which you think, Claire, you need to check out because it's blooming brilliant? So all your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. It'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.